Hello everyone, it's me, Andrea, and this is Andy's Corner. I'm so glad that you joined us today because today we are going to be reading Pigs Make Me Sneeze by Willems. Have any of you guys seen a pig in real life? Some are big, some are small, some are cute, and some are not, and they're stinky. But I've never heard of pigs making anyone sneeze. So let's see why. Gerald! What do you want to do today? I want... Yes. A what? A ball? A swim? A hat? Choo! And there goes the piggy. Are you okay? I do not know. Achoo! I can't stop. Achoo! The piggy's getting thrown around. Sneezing. Oh no! What if pigs make me sneeze? Huh? Achoo! There goes the piggy, flying. What if you tried to sneeze more softly? Sorry. But if pigs do make me sneeze, then I cannot be near you. Then we cannot be friends. Then we must be apart forever. But Gerald, no, do not speak. It is too late. Oh, he's got his helmet on. Choo! Goodbye. Gerald! Oh. Are you okay, Gerald? No, I am not okay, Dr. Cat. Pigs make me sneeze! And Piggy is a pig. Piggy is also my best friend. Achoo! Great, now cats make me sneeze too. He's so sad. I do not think pigs make you sneeze. I do not think cats make you sneeze. I think you have a cold. A cold? You are sick. I am sick! Oh, thank you, doctor. Piggy, great news! I have a cold. Good for you. Aw, poor Piggy got sick. Why do you think he got sick? I think because the elephant kept sneezing on him and got his germs. Ugh. So, that's a good reminder for us. If we're sick or we're sneezing, what should we do? We should cover our mouth. Achoo! And then we need to wash our hands, right? Or, if you have a tissue, you can sneeze into your tissue and throw your tissue away. And then wash your hands just to be safe. So, I'm glad that you joined us today. And I hope everyone's feeling good and that no one has a cold. But if you do, remember just to wash your hands and sneeze into something. Sometimes I even sneeze in my shirt. Achoo! If I don't have a tissue, and then I go wash my hands. That way I don't spread my achoo-ness everywhere. Crazy. Have a good day. See you later.